Hey everyone, it's Cole here from Astro Ontario with our rookie repair series, and today we're going to be showing you a quick and easy video on how to jumpstart a battery in your car. First, we had to clear off access to our hood, which meant getting a lot of snow off and then struggling a bit with the latch to get it open. Once you do get the hood successfully open, locate the battery in your car. We're working with a 2004 Chevy Astro, so the battery was tucked into the right front corner here, though it may be different depending on the size or make of your vehicle. 3, you have to get your car jumper. We have a Schumacker 600 amp, which seemed to work for us. But if you have a bigger battery or a bigger vehicle, you may have to go with a 1000 amp or 1400 amp to get the crank that you need. So make sure that you check your old battery or a battery directory to see what type your car will require. Next, we take the black clamp here, which is the negative clamp, and we're going to attach it to the black terminal, which is the farthest inside of the car here. Then we take the red clamp, which is the positive, turn to the positive terminal. Next, we're just going to double check the battery life on our jumper. You want to make sure it is fully charged after every use. Next, you're going to go inside the car and turn the key. Hold it for up to 10 seconds to be able to crank that engine, and if you're successful, you'll hear something like this.
Perfect, first try.
Now you can go ahead and disconnect the terminals and you're finished. Follow us at Astro Ontario on YouTube for more DIY repair and car tips.